Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Linkifun GT7H wireless Android Auto and CarPlay device. I've already been using this for over 4 months now, and this is a great device to have to upgrade your car's informatics system. So let's get into it and let me show you what you get with this package. First, this is the wireless CarPlay. It's very sleek and it's lightweight. It fits easily in a pocket, so you could bring this with you in any car. So when you first look at it, here is your micro HDMI. You have your USB-C port. This is where you can insert your micro SD card and your SIM card in here. This AI box has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of ROM. It's running Android 13. It works perfectly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can easily set this up using your phone's hotspot. So you could take advantage of the maps, Play Store, and all the other great features that this has to offer. So inside the package comes with a micro HDMI to a full-size HDMI, the USB-C charger plug. So once it's plugged in, you can see the RGB light turn on, so it gives it a good ambient lighting. And then it takes a few seconds for it to load up to your information system here. Okay, so when you first plug it in, everything sets up nicely and quickly. You have your Google Maps, you have your media, your audio player, and you have all these different apps that you can get. You can set up your phone, Bluetooth, car. You go install APK files in here, Bluetooth music messages, your phone. You have YouTube Music, Car Auto, Chrome, Gallery, Play Store, YouTube, Spotify. Let me show you the YouTube feature, how quickly that it responds. The UC X10 Pro Omni, a smart all-in-one robotic. And you can even do full screen if you want to do full screen. So it looks very clear and sounds nicely. You can run the Tubi app from your car screen very quickly and smoothly. So you can see how smoothly this thing runs. It has the full Play Store on here. We can play games on here if we want. So you could play any game that the system can handle. Why don't we play some Candy Crush? So it works very smoothly. There's no hesitation. This is a very powerful AI box. You're even able to change the lighting on this. Change the mood. You click here. And you can change the brightness. If you want to do monochrome. You're even able to hook up your cellular phone to here. All you do is press the CarPlay button. And once it connects to your phone, you see how quickly that it connects. Okay, so now it's connected to my phone. And you could do wireless phone contact, YouTube Music. You can set up different features using from your wireless phone. It pairs very quickly and nicely. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description.